Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass family link protection on your Poco X4 Pro device. To do this, firstly open Settings, then scroll down and choose Google. Tap on Manage your Google account. Then choose Data and Privacy, scroll down and choose Delete your Google account, but not afraid, we'll recover it later. So confirm your password and choose Next. Wait a while, then scroll down, choose I understand, and yes, choose Delete account. Wait a while, and cool. As you can see, all my applications was successfully unlocked. Wait a while, unlocking is in progress. So cool, yeah, all my applications was successfully unlocked, but now we need to recover our Google account. So to do this, open Play Store, choose Sign In, enter your email, tap Next, and you will see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. Click Next and enter your password. Click Next and you will see a message that thumbs in when wrong. So click Next and try to log in again. Enter email and enter your password. Tap Next and cool. Our Google account was successfully recovered and we can use our Google account, we can use Play Store to install games, to install apps, and that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!